Hi, this is Kphb. I'm from Hyderabad and I completed my graduation in 2021. Actually, I was looking for a best institute for learning Python full stack. So I have attended many demos, but I'm not satisfied with those demos. Once one of my friends referred this institute and I have came for demo approximately for a week, and I liked it very much, and I can easily understand the way of teaching of our sir. Our sir name is Srinivas sir. He teaches us very well, and here I can see my difference before joining VCUBE and after joining VCUBE. And here we'll be having mock tests, mock interviews, and aptitude reasoning classes, soft skill sessions, and every week we'll be having weekly tests so we can check our difference, like how much we have been improved from starting onwards. And here we'll be having a lab facility, and we can stay here for till evening. We can stay here, and if we have any doubts, sir will clear those doubts. And he is very patient. Even if we ask for 1,000 times, he'll be telling us those answers for 1,000 times if we don't understand. And here we have 100% job assistance. And one more interesting thing is here we can learn the things practically, not only theoretically. And I think this is the best institute to learn Python full stack from my end. If you want to join, you can. And this is located in Kphb. The name is VCUBE Software Solutions. Thank you.